Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Zepto store location. It's a common need, whether you've moved or are simply ordering from a different spot. We'll walk through the straightforward process of updating your delivery address within the Zepto application. This ensures your orders are always routed to the correct store, guaranteeing a smooth and efficient delivery experience every single time. Getting this right means your groceries arrive exactly where and when you expect them, without any hassle. There are several reasons why you might need to update your Zepto location. Perhaps you've recently relocated to a new home or office, making your previous address obsolete. Or maybe you're traveling and need deliveries to a temporary residence. Keeping your location current is crucial for accurate service. An outdated address can lead to delivery delays or even missed orders, which nobody wants. Ensuring your Zepto app reflects your current whereabouts guarantees you receive service from the nearest and most appropriate store. Changing your Zepto location is a simple process that takes just a few moments. First, open the Zepto application on your mobile device. Next, navigate to your profile or account settings, where you'll typically find an option to manage your addresses. Select the current address and then choose to add a new one or edit an existing entry. Carefully input your new delivery details, including the street, building number, and any specific landmarks. Finally, confirm the changes, and your Zepto store location will be updated. When updating your Zepto location, a few important tips can ensure a seamless experience. Always double-check the accuracy of your new address before saving it to prevent any delivery mix-ups. Remember that changing your location might alter the available stores and potentially impact delivery times, depending on your new area. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Zepto's customer support team. They are always ready to assist you with any location-related queries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.